Alright, figured I'd make you a quick video. So this is the Ryobi 1 gallon wet dry by 18 volt charged. This is the hose. Has kind of on a swivel arm. It's got like this stretchable, I don't know, it stretches look probably about a good 3 to 6 foot if it wanted to. It's got some snaps here. Kind of new, so the seal holds pretty good. Nice filter. It's got like a O-ring seal. Yep. Snap that back in. I didn't buy the accessory kit, but typical country stuff. So we're gonna vacuum up chipmunks and mice and stuff that got in. Here we go. Vacuum up acorns, whatever. I think you can see that. Yep. See if I can't get in there and work around you. There we go. Not like a shop vac, it won't quite suck up a whole shop towel, but not trying to, right? Pretty good suction. Can't complain. It is just an 18 volt. Alright, so we're at like 4 minutes. Where are we at here? In 4 minutes, messing around, it's at like 3 bars. So, not bad. It's exactly what I bought it for. So I don't have to run an extension cord and pull out my 5-horse big shop vac by Rigid and all that. Grab this real quick, put a battery on it, come out here, do my business real quick, and carry on with my day. And I don't have to wind up the cord and take all that back. It's all nice and compact. Just rotate it back, stick it on there, stick that there, little storage spot, and you're done.